Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to see if someone is online on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram application. Make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then go to your profile. And then just go to the three lines icon on the upper right corner. Then search for activity. Activity status, show activity status, go there, and if your activity status is on, here you'll be able to see, let me just read it out for you. Allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active or currently active on Instagram apps. When this is turned off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts. So this must be turned on if you want to see if someone is online on Instagram. Then go to your DM section and you'll be able to see if account is active, if there is a green icon on the just beside their profile picture. And yeah, this is how you can see. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and we will see you in the next video.